This year I couldn't do many one-pot meals, so I thought of doing this stir-fried rice noodle recipe. For this recipe, I'm using some rice noodles, about 250 grams. This is the rice noodle I'm using. It's called rice vermicelli soup, and I boiled it, and this is how it looks like after. Boiled rice noodles, or you can use the fresh rice noodles. There are some packets in fridge section in your supermarkets, and about 2 cups of shredded cabbage, white part of 1 leek, 1 carrot, few beans, 1 capsicum, few garlic finely chopped, and 3 shallots. I'm using shallots for more flavor. About 2 cups of spring onions, salt, pepper always to taste, and a pinch of cumin powder with chili flakes. If you don't want to add any chilies, you can omit it from your recipe. So let's start. Into a pot, add some oil. I'm using coconut oil in this recipe. When the oil is hot, add the garlic and the shallots and stir fry about 2 minutes. Once the onions are translucent, add the salt, pepper, and the cumin, and a bit of chili flakes. Stir, and into that add the cabbage first. Always add the hard vegetables first and then the beans. And after, add the leeks and the carrot with the capsicum. And going to add a teaspoon of stock powder. I'm using vegetable stock. And after, add the spring onions and the noodles. And a simple meal in less than 10 minutes. If you are working full time, you can cut and leave the vegetables, and when you come back, you can assemble everything together like this. And to enhance the flavors a little bit more, I'm adding sesame oil. If you are allergic to sesame oil, don't add any. It enhances all the flavors. And this is a nice vegetarian meal, and I will see you with another video again soon. Thank you for watching.